Is your Spectrum router constantly disconnecting? It's a common frustration, but often fixable. These disconnections usually stem from three key issues: Wi-Fi channel congestion, outdated router firmware, or electromagnetic interference. As of 2025, Spectrum has tools and upgrades to help, but understanding these core problems is the first step. We'll cover these issues and provide solutions that can help stabilize your Spectrum router and internet connection. These issues will cause your Wi-Fi to drop intermittently, slow speeds, or even complete outages. Let's tackle those common causes. First, channel congestion. Your Wi-Fi uses channels, and too many devices on the same channel cause interference. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone or computer to find less crowded channels and manually switch to those channels in your router's settings. You can usually access the router's admin panel at 192.168.1.1 in your web browser. Second, firmware. Outdated firmware can have bugs. Check for updates via your router's admin panel or the Spectrum app. Make sure the router stays powered on during the update. Finally, interference. Microwaves and other devices can disrupt your signal. Position your router away from electronics and ideally in a central location. Also try switching to the 5 GHz band for less interference, although it has a shorter range than 2.4 GHz. If these steps don't work, contact Spectrum support.